Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing well. This is a simple method that you can go ahead and use to block any website using a Windows computer. Maybe you have a lot of reasons, maybe you are a parenting control or uh, increasing productivity, security threat or any other details, but I'm not going to get into those details. Simply this is how you can go ahead and block a website locally inside your Windows 11 machine. Okay, this is the simplest method. Just simply search for Notepad and run it as administrator. Once you have opened it, you have to click on file. Now click open, which the shortcut is Control O. Okay, now you have to visit this path: drive C, Windows, System 32, drivers, and etc. Let me I have to go ahead and guide you through the graphical user interface, so you should understand everything. Now open drive C, go to Windows, go to System 32-bit folder. You have to find that manually. There are a lot of folders within this directory, so there's the System 32. Now you have to look for the drivers. That is another thing you have to look for manually. Okay, I think I missed it already. That is a little bit above. That starts with D. ABC. Okay, here it is. Once you are here, you have to go to this folder called etc, and now we are in the same folders, but as you can see, we cannot see anything at all. Well, that is because only the text documents have been selected from the bottom. Now you have to click on it and select all files, and you can see now all of the files are showing here. These are actually system files. The one which we are going to work with, that is called the hosts. Just double click on it and you can see that everything here. This explains what is exactly the host file is, and all how you can use it to simply block, or you get the idea, right? So now if you want to block any specific website, you have to just simply come here and type 127.0.0.1. What is exactly this IP address? It's actually your own IP address. It means whenever you're trying to map, or you're trying to simply send a signal, a package, you're trying to send across the internet, the source and destination are both the same. Therefore, it's going to give you the option of internet not reachable. Okay, in my case, I'm going to simply type or I'm going to block the instagram.com. Okay, www.instagram okay, just simply press Ctrl S or go to file and simply click on save. Now let's go ahead and have a look, or check a look at the Instagram, if that is accessible or not. So as you can see, it's saying that the site can't be reached. Just simply click on details. You can see it's giving you the three reasons of: check your internet connection, allow the Chrome access to the firewall or antivirus settings, or if you are using a proxy, you have to go ahead and enable that. If I have to just simply want to enable it again, just remove that, press Ctrl S and refresh it. So as you can see, now I can just simply go ahead and access the instagram.com. It is as simple as that. There are some points that you need to know about blocking a website. Okay, firstly, keep in mind that you have to go ahead and simply paste the 127.0.0.1. If you simply copy a URL directly from here and paste it here, it's not going to work. Okay, just like this. I mean, there is the HTTPS, there is also the forward slash, and last there's also the backward slash. So if you save that, it's not going to work. Okay, that is the first thing. Same way goes like this. If that it is like only the last forward slash, the backward slash is removed, again you have to press Ctrl S. It's not going to work. The only method is going to work is the clean simple domain, nothing else. Okay, so as you can see, these are actually the Adobe websites that are related to the activation of the Adobe products. Mostly the people who are using the softwares that you're using, these are for the cracked version. Okay, you got the idea. This is as simple as that. There's also another thing. Sometime, for instance, if I have to simply, at the moment, if I have to go ahead and try to block Facebook, it's not going to work. Well, let me go ahead and try that out for you. So let's see if it's going to work or no. as you can see, it's still going to work. Now the next thing that you can do to simply get rid of or to simply solve the problem is you have to run cmd as administrator. Here you have to type ipconfig slash /dns. Now it has to work. Okay, if it is not working, it means you have to go ahead and restart the system. This is as simple as that. Just please remember the path, that is the drive C, Windows, System32, drivers, etc, and the file called hosts. So I will provide the path in the description so you can simply check it out yourself. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any question about it, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to embrace the knowledge. So have a nice day, goodbye, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.